Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got one of many boxes that I am going to be getting from 3rd and Main. I went a little crazy on the spring items and the add-ons, but what I've got coming is absolutely beautiful. So I've got one box here. I think it's 2 orders together, but you know what? We're going to figure it out and find out together. So there are fragile stickers all over it. Let me show you the box. The box. So let's get into it. All right. We've got a card. Let's see. Oh, and I love, look at this color. Isn't that beautiful? Eggplanty like. Thank you. It says, Terry, thank you so much for your orders. I hope you love. Oh, okay. I can't tell you because it's what it's in the box. And she says, I can't wait to see how you style them. All right. So this one, I want to say was maybe my 4th order. And here's the thing, I've said this before, don't go to their site if you don't want to spend money, because everything you are going to fall in love with. And not only that, they have been doing videos showing us how to make floral arrangements with their vases and their flowers. That's what gets you. That's what got me. Okay, let's open. Oh my goodness, okay. This I just added like over the weekend. So she must have just threw them in. So I saw these when she was making an arrangement. And everybody online was like, what are those? What are those? So she went and put them on her site. I've seen these as metal before, and I have those. But these are like a plastic. Vase Buddies. Okay, you take this and it stretches over the mouth of your vase, and it, oh my goodness, it's in here really good. There we go. Okay, it stretches over the mouth of your vase, and you can see here it's stretchy. And what it does is it allows you to place your florals in certain positions, and it holds that position because they're separated. So it's keeping that separation, but it's also helping you design, because you can like do your flowers in quadrants. Like you want one type of flower here, you want a bigger here. These things are absolutely amazing. And like I said, I've used metal ones before. I had never seen this. So I got 2. All right, next. Big item. But let's see what the other things are in here first. She put so much packing in here to cushion and protect the boxes and what I have on my lap. I had to really like dig in to make sure I had everything. Here we go. The first floral. Well, I am going to pull down. I'm not going to fully take out because I want the protection. But look at these blue floral flowers. There are 3 that I got. And the reason I got them is because she did a floral arrangement, a blue floral arrangement with white. You guys, it was beautiful. And what she made it in is a vase I have coming. Couldn't pass them up. I have more flowers coming that are going to go with this blue. But I love it. I love them. They are this soft touch. Now, if you go on her website, the ones on there are going to look like they have yellow around here, but as you see, they do not. And the ones that she showed us didn't either. So I went ahead and still bought because I thought, okay, I'm sure it's a different picture. One of those things just to be aware of. Next, I got two, I think these are peonies. Oh, they're nice. They are also Real Touch. And look how beautiful. She has the most beautiful, extremely nice quality flowers. These are super nice. Look at this. So you can move these around. They're so pretty. One more flower to show you. I believe these, oh my goodness, I ordered so many, you guys. Are these the, Up on the screen, I am going to put what these are. I'm also going to put what the blue are. And if those were not peonies, I will put what those are as well. Because I want to say these are like the lavender or the lily of the valley, but they're not lily of the valley. So maybe they're lavender. I can't remember. What I do know is, as she showed us and she taught us, you do not need a ton of these flowers to make a beautiful arrangement. She was using like one, and she was doing it to like make, you put this in and then you spread it out like weird like, and it becomes like your frame for your floral arrangement. And then you put the flowers like around it. When I saw how she was using these, it just added so much, like a pop of green, a pop of different color. I had to have them. Now, we got this baby. Now, when I first saw these on her website, well, actually, she showed them, I believe, on a live video first. And I saw them, and I was like on the fence. I was thinking it's cute. And, you know, when you've got all these different options, this one wasn't calling to me. Then I saw her arrange flowers in it. And you guys know what happened. It's in my house now. I fell in love with it. There's 3 sizes. I got the small, and wait till you see the size of the small. I can't imagine what the large size is. Look at this vase. It is more beautiful than I thought. The pictures does not do this justice at all. You guys don't, I love it. I absolutely love it. And this, like I said, is the small. There are 2 more sizes. God knows like how big those are, but I love it. It was packaged very well. It was surrounded with styrofoam, and it was topped with styrofoam. And then in the box, she had tons of protectant. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it. It is going to fit the new style that we're doing in the living room perfectly. I'm going for a coastal, Nantucket, Newport, that kind of design. This is going to go perfectly. Yay, yay. There you have it. This, I believe, was a combination of multiple orders. I am pretty sure I ordered other things with this too, but I can't remember. You guys, I put so many things in the cart, take them out, put them in, take them out. And then you place so many orders, you completely forget what you have. I might have a little problem. but I'm getting beautiful things. Okay, well, there you have it. So keep watching the channel. Like I said, I have many more unboxings from 3rd of May coming, and wait until you see the arrangement that I picked out from the spring. It's beautiful. It is just gorgeous. So I can't wait to get that. All right. As always, thanks for tuning in, spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed another unboxing, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.